That's what I want to do. I want to put a high speed in this bad boy.
Worth it, bro.
Alright, I'll take left.
I got center.
I got left, I mean right. If you're hit, come by the tower. Come past the tower. Come inside. Use your left. Use your left. Guys, they're gonna come around to your right. Let them in.
All right.
Hurry up. I bet that felt good. Hey, Billy, you go to the tires, you tag the tires, and you come back as cops, and you start shooting your tires. Go for it. Cool. Watch that close fire, guys. Watch that close fire. Use the fence! They're calling you guys! Watch out! They're calling! Use the fence! Use the fence! Use the fence!
Oh, good Dion. Oh, good Dion. Good one.
Up, up, up.
I'm hit.
Left side! Hey, where is the courthouse?
Building. Blue house.
Blue house?
Blue house.
Hey guys, we're gonna have to clear that whole field because I told them they could use it all. Remember, cops, side by headshots only, guys.
What you got on that side there in blue house?
Stop, they're calling it. Let them off. Stop shooting at them. 19, right side window. What? Use the fence wall. Something.
Moving up, moving up, moving up. Moving up, moving up. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Move up. Move up, move up. Move up. Clear next room, clear next room.
Where are they?
Right outside the backside. Where you got him at? Where you got him at? Kill house? Lock up? Hold fire.
Yeah, there's a clear.
Kill house.
Kill house, kill
Kill
house.
house.
Kill house!
Huh? Just now. Huh?
You're hiding pretty good.
I got 4 guys.
You're a 1919 guy.
Huh?
You're 1919.
No, I was the cop. I took out the, oh yeah. I cleared blue house and then came up.
I totally lost you when you moved up. You went way too far.
Dude, I told you I was gonna bum rush, bro.
You were just destroying me.
I told you, it sounds like a polar star, but all lipo.
I can't afford behind.
Alright, I got a pistol mag on the ground.
I don't know who that is.
Ooh, that's a dirty one.
I was gonna say, talk to RJ.
Hey, good job though, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take it as RJ. All I saw was just people migrating that way.
Dude, I thought you, that's why when I told you, the cover.
Okay, yeah, I did cover you.
And you caught, huh?
You were a cop, right?
Yeah.
I shot you from the side.
From Kill House?
Yeah.
That was the first, you were the first one to take me out.
Really?
I cleared the whole field to that point.
I don't know.
Eh,
Did you become a cop?
no way. They all took out our team on the side.
I know, but did you get taken out?
I was right there ready for him.
You surrendered though. They all came up to you.
Yeah, because he was like, oh, game done, game
Yeah,
done.
because I actually, the 3 of us wiped out like more than half your team.
Yeah, I noticed that.
You did, bro. Hey, good one.